Good afternoon, Freedom Friends. This is B with Life Done Free. I've been asked several times to do a tutorial on my loofahs and what I do with them. If you are interested in finding out, come check it out. Good morning, Freedom Friends. So, I was harvesting some loofah seeds. Loofah. That's what they look like when they grow. This one molded before it was dried, so this one is not going to be any good. Not any good for saving seeds. This is what you're listening. That's what you're looking for. These ones, when you pull them apart, they are really, they fall apart. So you can't really use that. But, so those ones are going to be compost. But these ones, and you can hear the seeds inside of them. You open it up, this is what it looks like. This is a loofah. You can wash your body with it. You can clean with it. And these are the seeds that I'm looking for here. Let me pull some of these out. See the seeds down in there. Now, I'm going to have to go through and get the winnowing, is that what you call it? Get the little fibers off of there. But let me show you real quick. So I take just a serrated knife and I cut the tip off of it, and then I peel it. I'm doing this outside because it's really grody. Butter knife. Let me see if I can do it like this so you can see what I'm doing. I am just prying the outer layer off with my knife as the seeds are falling all over the ground. Almost done. Now, typically when you buy these in the store, they're bleached, but I don't do that. This is all natural loofah right here. And then these are the seeds. They're black and a little puffy. Now you can take these and cut them however big you want. You can take them and make little rings, and then when you make your soap, you can pour the soap around this so that this is inside of your soap. So you can use it like a exfoliating soap bar, but I don't always do that. Cuts pretty easy with a serrated knife. And you want to do that to try to get all of your seeds out. See, there's one embedded there. And the smaller you cut it, the more seeds you're gonna get out of there. You don't have to get them all out, but I have a seed exchange coming up and I want to be able to share some of these. There we go. Got them all out. Loofah. Body sponges, cleaning sponges. Oh, I stabbed that one. Probably not going to be any good. These are edible before they get to this size. The smaller ones, I've never tried them. Not really interested in it. I grow them for cleaning sponges. All right. Be out.